the audio outputs. I don't like that at all. Well, I don't think we do actually. Well, at least not at the moment. We might in the future. The reason I don't think we do is because none of this memory will still exist. It's not the case of a dynamically allocated array, at least not yet. Ugh. Like, can we get away with just one thread owning that memory? Will that allow us to get away with what we're doing? I think the answer is no, for the same reason that your memory may move around. Right now, our memory doesn't move around, so it's not a problem. This is why message passing, well, this is one of the reasons why message passing is way better. You only need to acquire a lock when you're posting a message, or taking a message, I guess. But you don't need to acquire a lock every time you do anything. I guess the majority of the time, there'll be no lock contention. It's only when we're doing something funky there's lock contention. Anyway. Right now we don't need to do this. But... yeah, if you need to get two mutexes anyway. I'm not sure if it matters whether we have the mutex protecting the entire audio input structure, or if we just have it protecting... Because I think we're going to need the outer layer one anyway. I wonder. Because we're just back to the same problem. The problem is that the mutex needs to outlive the resource. Anytime we do anything. Well, the thing is, only one thread needs to actually check. Because this deallocation can only ever happen... Actually, where does it happen? Not here. What did I do? Not what I wanted, that's for sure. Oh, okay, we actually do. That's probably fair. This is at the end of the input. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna need a global mutex. That's silly. And before we call this, we're going to have to take the lock. I don't think this lock does anything for us because we're going to need both locks anyway. I'm not sure that's true. No, that's true. That's true. This is silly. We need to lock the entire thing whenever we do anything. We'll make that extern. pthread mutex t audio mutex, I guess. And we got to make sure to initialize that. This is pthread mutex init audio mutex, and then pthread no mutex t audio mutex, and down here pthread. I guess this is the UI thread. We should be killing all the other threads as well. Do we do that when we deallocate? I believe we do. It's a good song. Where's the pthread kill? There it is. That's fine. So we kill the thread. So we don't have to worry about other threads waiting on this. We don't have to worry about ourselves waiting on it, that's for sure. I think we need to kill all threads before we get here. It's not really a to-do, because it's true. Make sure all other threads touching audio input are killed. Pthread mutex destroy. Okay. Oh. Almost there. And this can fail. This can fail. I see. And the lock can fail as well, I believe. I'm not sure what I want to do about that. If I even want to check it at all. Because it can happen. Deadlock. I'm not sure if I want to do anything about that. To do check for mutex error codes. I don't know. Maybe. Where are we at? Does this compile? Nope. Yeah, right. And there'll be no contention the majority of the time. That doesn't mean I'm happy. Oh, really? By assignment with the macro. That's interesting. Okay. Okay. And this should start acquiring the mutex. Okay. Okay. Let's start here. So if it was active and it's now inactive, we want to lock this. And what we want to do yeah, I need to acquire it here as well. Oh, that's so rough. We need to acquire the mutex every time we draw this. No, we don't. We're the only thread that can destroy it. So we can choose not to. Right. So far we have nothing linking these things. Yep. No, that tracks. That tracks. I think we want that to be in here. Like this will have to go, obviously. And I think even this should be in the audio output structure because they're just inextricably linked. Yeah, so what we want to do is we want to stop recording, kill the audio input, remake it. Which means I actually think I don't want them to be linked because if I put the text input inside the audio output structure, then it'll be freed when we kill the audio input. This is going to be a stress test. Actually, we're still recording. Yeah. This is going to be a stress test for segmentation faults. So let's go audio input dealloc, and we'll have to break our promise here. Because we'll need a bunch of them for every audio input. Yeah. For now, we're gonna have one. TIs, I guess. Yeah, we're gonna have exactly that many. Where do I define that? Yeah, good.